Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and fine in this pandemic situation. Today I, Ankita Kumari Rajak, is going to show you a blue glittery eyes. I have shown here a lot of new techniques which you can learn during this period sitting at your home. Stay tuned to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This look is a dreamy look, but you can also try it in a party or a bridal makeover, as it gives a very bold look to your makeup. So let's get started to learn it. Basically, I will be starting with my eyebrows first. For that I will be using a pulley and comb my eyebrows in the upward direction. For doing the brows, I am using here ABH Dip Pro Made in the shade dark brown. For this I am taking a very small quantity of product in my angle brush, and I will start with the lower part of my eyebrows first, and then I will go to the upper part. First I will do the outer lining and then fill in my brows. The inner corner of the brows should be as light as possible. For that only I am shading the front part. Now I am taking a concealer of Krylon in the shade G165 to shape out my brows. Just a small quantity of the product will do. I am using a small flat foundation brush as a concealer brush here. Again taking the same product and depositing it all over my eyelids to create an eye base for my eye makeup. Blend the concealer properly all over your lids. For the purpose of blending, I am using a large foundation brush, as you can see that it blends out so well. So blending is the only key for a perfect eye makeup. For eye makeup, I am using a Beauty Glaze 63 color palette and using a orange and a yellow tone color, mixing two colors together to define my highlighting areas. This technique makes my eyes look longer and gives a more defined finish. Keep blending it properly. Then in a large blending brush, I am going to take a hot pink color from iMagic palette and blending it above my crease to create a transition color. Then I am taking a violet color in a small blending brush and blending it in my crease line to define my crease. Now the blending should be properly done, as this is the main key point for every eye makeup. Now I am taking a Maybelline Fit Me concealer to cut my crease. Now you can do it using the same Krylon concealer as you have used for the eye base, but I will again take the same violet color in a small blending brush and define my outer corner of the eyes. Now I am taking a light blue shade from iMagic palette and blending in my inner corners. Then I am taking a dark blue metallic shade and depositing it over my eyelid. The depositing should be done in a dab motion. And after that I will blend it with a small blending brush. I am using here Color Cosmetics glitter and a normal eye glitter glue, and I will apply the glitter only in my lid area, just dabbing it using a fluffy brush. Now I am taking a Faces kajal and just smudging it in my waterline. After applying kajal, I will do my lower part of my eyes. For that I am using the same color I have used for the transition area. Then taking a pink color, I will smudge the kajal a bit. Now comes the final part, that is the mascara. I'm using here Maybelline Sensational Mascara, a good 2 coats of mascara. Then I'm using a highlighter in shade pink from Forever 52 Spotlight palette. And I have completed the look using a pair of false lashes. So here how the eye makeup looks. Do comment, like and share, and let me know that if the tutorial is useful for you or not. If you have any problem, feel free to ask me or DM me in my Instagram ID. And yes, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.